Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday and another week of bakbakan na naman guys. So, anyway guys, since it's Monday, naka-uniform tayo today. So, samahan niyo ako guys na pumunta na sa work. So, let's go guys! So, nandito na ako sa work guys, and before anything else, mag-coffee break muna tayo. So, every morning talaga guys, bago ako mag-start mag-work is nagko-coffee break muna ako and nagbe-breakfast. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nakakapag-breakfast sa bahay kasi sobrang late ko na. So, dito na ako sa office guys, usually nagbe-breakfast. So, yan, share ko lang. So, anyway guys, today nga pala is summer day and obviously, wala talagang pasok today. Lahat ng mga private and public sector, wala talagang pasok except sa office namin, except sa company namin. Kasi nga, walang holiday sa company namin. So, anyway guys, that's okay. And hindi din kami double pay. So, it's just a normal day. Kahit paanong holiday yan, basta sa aming company is wala talagang holiday. Pero, actually, nasasanay na lang din kami. So, yan. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo and tapusin ko lang din yung breakfast ko. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys, katatapos ko lang din mag-breakfast. So, since it's Monday, wala pa rin kaming deliveries today. So, obviously, hindi pa masyadong loaded yung work namin. So, today guys, is aayusin ko lang yung sales report ko. And I will also check and monitor lahat ng mga bookings ng mga DSP kasi nga, merong incentives na ibibigay yung patron doon sa DSP namin. So, kailangan ko siyang i-monitor if target sila or hindi. So, that would be my agenda for today's video guys. So, yan. So, dyan na muna kayo guys and mag-work lang muna ako. So, stay tuned guys! So, yan guys. So, working. And actually, hindi naman masyadong loaded yung work natin today. So, wala din tayong ganap. Kasi nga, after work, diretso lang din tayo sa bahay. So, yan. Diyan lang muna kayo guys. And tatapusin ko muna yung work ko. So, So, yan guys, bago kami umuwi, bumili lang muna kami din ng merienda ni Nick kasi nga medyo nagutom lang kami, charot. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!